Welcome to FX Hunt, where we break down analysis on daily basis in the market. So today being the 23rd of September, what we're expecting now, this is US30. We trade mainly indices. What are we expecting the market to do today on US30? So the zones are already plotted. These are key levels, and we plot all these zones. These zones are being marked up on the 4 hours time frame. Now, before we take any action, right, let's go to the 1 hour time frame to see an in-depth look on what the market is doing in these key zones plotted. Now, if you look carefully, right, you could see around this key zone, price has been reacting. If you look at here, taking as an example, you see the reaction price has been doing around these key zones. You see the reaction the market has been giving around the key zone, showing that these areas are areas of interest where we need to consider. Even in this all-time high area, you can see the reaction that the market is giving there. So these are zones that we need to consider, right? So after that being said, what are we expecting the market to do once price gets there? Now, stepping down to the 15 minutes time frame where we'll be taking our entry, right? Where we'll be taking our entry based on these key zones plotted. We need price to come down to 41,900 to give us a confirmation before we are going bullish on US30, or we want price to get to 41,800 before going bullish on US30. So we need price to come there, give us candlestick pattern, candlestick formation, and then we go bullish on US30. And before we go bullish, we need to see either a chart pattern or we see a movement like this, right? Price cannot just get here and then go bullish. We need to see a movement likely to play out like this, right? Breakout, retest, and then you go bullish. So we need something like that within these areas that we are expecting to go bullish. We need something like that within all these areas on the lower time frame, right? We need something like this. So on US30 we are expecting to go bullish. We are expecting to go bullish. Let's step down. If you step down a little bit, the areas where we are expecting to go bullish, we are planning on risking 70 pips, targeting 1 ratio 3.5 minimum, targeting 1 ratio 3.5, right? Then where price is currently at, we are expecting price to react. We are expecting this analysis is based on price retracing back, which is rejecting back to this level before taking, which is the 41,900 before we take any entry. But if price does not reject and price continue breaking out, now this is what we are going to be expecting, right? If price does not reject and continues breaking out, this is what we are going to be expecting. We'll be looking out for something like this, right? This is what we'll be looking out for. We'll be looking out for something like this. If we see a breakout like this, price does not does not end up rejecting, we'll be waiting for a breakout. Then we also wait for the consolidation down to this support level here, right? This resistance level, which we then turn to a support. We wait for price to come break and retest this zone. We wait for price to break and give us a retest around this zone, and then we go bullish. Then we go bullish, risking the same 70 pips, right? And then we'll be trailing our stop loss. Once price get to 1 ratio 1, break even 1 ratio 2, we start trailing the stop loss. We start to be able to capitalize fully on the movement of the market. So that's what we are expecting today on US30.